Hey guys, Glimmery Online. How are you? Hope you're surviving the madness. And hey, it's time to put Plan B into action, which was what? I'm going to start that home-based business sooner than later. Yeah, this is Plan B. It's time to put it into action because we don't know how long we're going to be doing this for. So if you need to find a way to make money online, this is actually a great time because everyone's hand is sort of forced right now. We're kind of like going, what should we be doing? So if you like videos on how to make money, make sure you hit my subscribe button below and hit notification, and I will notify you when I make a new video. And you get to have your hair like this and kind of hang out in your pajamas all day if you want to, because not only are we isolated, but it's also nice just to do that. And my wife took the kids out today. Not anywhere public. We have a little green area. We live in this really large apartment complex, and since the pool and the gym is all closed down, we have these big grassy areas that the kids can go play in. No playground stuff, it's just grass. Anyways, let's get into this. I'm going to show you, where's my notes here? This is going to be 3 ways to make $1,000 online right now. And I'm going to show you, like it's easy, guys. It's easy. It's super easy. You just got to be focused on what you're doing and learn from the right people. Learn from the right people. Write this down. Learn from the right people. Oh, is my internet kind of fading there? I don't know. I think there's so many people online that my internet is going up and down. Okay, so number one. So these are 3 good ones that you can do. There's tons of them out there, but I'm going to give you 3. So the first thing, if I was starting from scratch right now, I would not do what I did for the first 5 years, because I just dicked around and screwed around and tried this and that, tried everything. So number one, I would go over to a website called Clickbank, and I'll show you. And actually, guys, because I've been doing a case study for Bing ads, I have a brand new Clickbank account, and I don't usually show my Clickbank account because I don't like to show what campaigns I'm running. But I'll just show you this. I'll show you the sort of where we're at. So this is a brand new account, and just kind of this is what I opened it here on the 14th, I think it was, and basically just been running. I've been testing like Bing ads, but I've been running like really like small budget Bing ads, like $10 a day on 3 different offers. So it's, if you look, I think $418 in sales. So I think it works out to, let's see, 90, 91, 80, 270, 30, 300. I'm at about 330 for 10 days. So that would put me exactly at $1,000 for the month. Running at about $30 a day ad spend. So basically you're looking at, is it $30 a day ad spend? Yeah, there's $30. So right now I'm actually breaking even kind of thing on it, but I'm just testing, right? Like right now I'm just testing. So, 10 days will be $300 for $30 a day. Yeah. So I think it's like, yeah. So it's basically break even right now, but I'm just testing right now. So this is one way to start going, because once you see that it starts working, you can start ramping up and you can actually get the cost down. So that'd be the first place to go. Guys, you can go to the marketplace, and there's a ton of stuff you can do here. Let me just get out of there. So you're gonna you'd want to go to Clickbank, create an account at Clickbank. It's asking me to log in. Let's go. I don't want to log in. You want to just go to the marketplace, and once you set up an account, give them all your bank information. It's cool because Clickbank actually will direct deposit right into your account, depending where you live. Or they'll send you a check. They'll send you a physical check. So you come here and you just pick something to promote, guys. There's so much stuff to promote. You can employ employment and jobs, right? Like people losing their jobs. Maybe they need to find a service job that they can earn from your photos, right? Ultimate job interview. People are going to need this stuff, right? Tutor jobs online. You could be an online tutor. You can sell slogans, right? Or you can sell these products that people would be interested in doing. And so I don't recommend just going here and getting a link, right? You watch my other videos. There's a whole process of doing it. And like I said, I'm doing a Bing case study right now. Bing ads, if you don't know what that is, it's Microsoft ads. It's sort of the little cousin of Google. It's a lot cheaper to advertise there, and they don't shut you down as much on affiliate offers. Google can be kind of tricky on some affiliate stuff, and Facebook is notoriously for changing their mind every time. So what I like to do is go to Clickbank, and there's a couple rules, fast rules that you need, and I'll put that stuff in below. You do need a tracker, and you will need a landing page. I don't reckon a lot of people will say, "Oh, just send it, go add directly to the link." I don't. So my philosophy is this. So here, let me jump on here. So my philosophy is this. So when you create a landing page, right? So someone wants to, wants the ultimate job interview, right? Oh, I need that. I'm gonna go. So they go to a page, and if they don't like the sales page right there, they can jump off it much easier, right? So if you make a really compelling single page that says, watch this video right now to learn the secret of blah, 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 right? And they have to click something. It's called a micro commitment. It's 10 times more likely that they will buy or go through to at least the order form by introducing a micro commitment to them. It's also a great place to get an email. So for example, if you're going to target someone in weight loss or make money online or parenting stuff or something like that, you want to get their email because you want to send them this offer, but you also want to continually send them other offers that come along. There's lots of make money online offers, there's lots of parenting offers, there's lots of stuff. But so let's say it's a one-off thing like ultimate guide to job interview, right? That's something that I don't know if I'd collect an email for that. That's a very specific target market. I don't know. Maybe there's some other stuff I could think about selling them later, but there probably wouldn't be very much relevant stuff that I get sent to that person. So what I would do is I would just do a bridge page. I'd do a landing page, and then I'd track it with a tracker, do a landing page, and then from the landing page go to the Clickbank page. So that's what I would do there. So that's number one. Go do Clickbank and do it on Bing, but grab I'll put some links to what I used below. I think that just watch a couple of my old videos and you'll see how to do tracking links and stuff like that. Okay, so number two, where's my list here? Number two, I would join a direct sales or an MLM. Right now, there's tons of people out there looking for direct sales, MLMs, especially if they're in the health, right? People are looking to get healthy. They want good food. They want stuff that they can that will make them, boost their immunity, that kind of stuff. That's what people are looking for, and they're going to look at it continue. Like, this is a big slap in the face to a lot of people, right? A lot of people that are overweight are realizing, like, holy cow, I'm at risk because I've been a lazy butt and I've let myself go and I've got diabetes and not saying that all people with diabetes are lazy, just people that are overweight, completely overweight, and they've developed diabetes. So those kind of things, people are going to be like, oh, this is a wake-up call, right? Let's get on it. So I would join a couple. So I've got a couple suggestions. One of them, and they're both, one is a weight loss immune boost MLM, and one is a gluten-free living. So interesting enough, if you've been following what's going on in the world, our health starts in our gut, right? So we shifted about 6 months ago, no longer. Well, so a little backstory here. My mother-in-law actually is gluten intolerant. She's not celiac. She's gluten intolerant. So every time we have family dinners, we stay away from gluten, right? We don't have gluten. When she makes dessert every Sunday dinner, she makes it with gluten-free. So we went and found, because we love direct sales, my wife and I love direct sales. We have, it's funny, we have cleaning products that keep all chemicals out of our house, and it's not Melaleuca. And we also like this gluten-free, and then they're both direct sales companies, but we love it because we like to refer to our friends, and we make money, and it pays for our products, and it puts some money in the bank for us. So we went and found a product that is 100% gluten free, and what it is, it makes meal planning super easy. It's basically if you go in and buy like those packages, the little gravy packages and all that kind of stuff. Well, basically it's that stuff, but it has no crap in it. It's It's just pure spices. There's no added sugar. There's no added salt. I mean, unless the recipe calls for sugar, but it's like so much healthier for you. So that's one of the ones that we recommend. It's only in Canada and the US. So if you're watching this from somewhere else, they just launched in the US. So the US is wide open, and it's really fun. You just my wife is actually hosting a party online as we speak for the next three days, I think. And basically, you just show people how to cook, right? So I made country style ribs tonight, Korean barbecue style. And so I used a package of the Korean barbecue mix, right? Add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of it was gluten-free soy sauce, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and some ketchup. And then we instant potted the ribs, and then we threw them onto the broiler, and they were delicious. They were amazing. The kids are like, I love this chicken. But it was country style ribs. So anyway, all their stuff is gluten-free. Most of it is dairy-free, which is really cool because myself and a couple of our kids are lactose-free. So we're conscious. But what's great is our gut health is very, very good. We put really good stuff into our guts. I also recommend promoting an immune, energy boosting weight loss stuff because people are looking for weight loss. So that's the second one I would do. Now you're going, well, Glenn, how do I don't want to be one of those people that this bugs everyone online. So here's how you do it. You're going to actually, your friends on Facebook are probably going to get, they're going to diss you a bit, but you got to have a spine, just buck it up, take it. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to start joining groups that you're interested in, right? So you want to join like Facebook groups or this kind of things. My wife is calling me. Oh, she's FaceTiming me while I'm doing a live. But here's what you're going to do. You want to start making lives, and you want to start doing curiosity posts. So a curiosity post is nothing like a call to action. It's basically you'd say something like, and it doesn't have to be your downline as long as it's in your business. Like for example, hey, I'm so proud of Kelly. 6 months ago she was working as in the service industry, and she just made like $150 online today. How cool is that? Congratulations, right? So people are going to see that and go, that's cool. Or, and say they join my home-based business, right? Don't say the company name. Don't say anything like that. Don't become a walking billboard for your company. Just be yourself and drop these curiosity posts, or then go live and just talk about anything. Like, 3 ways to keep the kids entertained, right? Oh, and by the way, if you're looking for a way to make money online, message me. I'm just staying focused on my home-based business, and I can help you, get through this time if you're looking for something else. If not, no big deal, right? So you never want to say the company name. You just want to basically there, and that's how I would start promoting it on Facebook, right? So direct sales, MLM company, and just do Facebook Lives and start attracting people. Number 3, and this is my favorite, join an education affiliate program that has recurring income and big ticket training items. This is the best way to make money, guys. This is the monster in the room, because this is what people are really looking for. They're looking for education on when they learn that, they can then apply it to all these different, whatever they want to do, right? They can take that education of online marketing and apply it to any business. What's cool is that it has a really robust affiliate program. It has very good training. It's trained from the best. This is where I learned a lot of my marketing from a few different programs, but this is one of the main programs I learned a ton from. And basically, it's the best way to do it. And because it's big ticket items on some of them, because some of them they have some nice big trainings. You get paid a very good commission when you get $1,000 commission. It's kind of nice. You're like, that was good. That's cool. And you made a YouTube video, you did a Facebook Live, you told people about this. Maybe you sent a couple solo ads. Spent a few $100s on solo ads, and boom, you got some people signing up, and someone goes and buys a big ticket training, and you get paid, and you just keep doing that, right? And that recurring income comes in. It actually has multiple streams of income in it. They recommend different tools that you can make a residual on. So it's a great, robust company. So I'm going to put the link below for that, and definitely check that out. But those are the 3 ways that I would start right now, and easily easily make $1,000 online. You know, if you want to make 1,000 a month, if you want to make 1,000 a day, then you gotta double up, guys. Gotta put in the money. So, first things, there's no free ride. There's no magic bullet. There's no, you know, this isn't a lottery system. This is work. This is you need to market. You know, people seem to think I'm just going to do this and it's going to be so simple. I'm going to be living my life of luxury on the beach, sipping on my Mai Tai or your drink of choice. No, guys, it's work. It's work, and you have to learn to market, and you have to learn to like think outside the box, and you have to grow a spine, and you gotta be able to talk to people. And the biggest thing, when people say no, let it go. Just let it go. Don't let it get under your skin. Just go, okay, cool. So many people come back to me and go, hey, what was that thing you're doing? Because, you know, they try to introduce something to me. I'm like, hey, no, I'm focused on what I'm doing. Thanks, though. You know, and then be like, oh, what are you doing? Right? Or, you know, the I want to trade links. I'm like, no, I'm not really interested. I'm not looking for anything. I have what I need to do. I know what I'm focused on right now. Maybe down the road I'll be opening up to something else. But usually when I'm looking for something myself, I'm researching, right? I'm actually watching what people are doing. Right? So I go on, I'm watching what people are doing live. I'm like, oh, I wonder what that person's talking about. That's interesting. That sounds interesting because they keep talking about this thing. And then I will reach out to that person because they're creating content around something that's making me curious to find out what they're doing. So I'll go scour their Facebook page, right? And if they're really good, there's no mention of their company whatsoever. And you're like, oh, what are they into? And you're like trying to Google their name and the company name and nothing's coming up. And you're like, oh, what are they into? So then you have to reach out and talk to them. And that's what you want. You want people reaching out to you and asking you about your business. Or you can come and do videos like I do. Train on something, pick some topics. Just there's 10,000 topics you can talk about, and just show people what to do. Show people things to do, and that's basically it. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Make sure you subscribe, share the video if you know people, and I'm gonna put some links down below if you're interested. You know, I'll just put the links below. You can go check out the companies that I was talking about. I am putting the company's names. I'm doing the opposite of what I'm saying. I don't do it on Facebook, right? I do it on YouTube because it's a platform, and people will get really pissed off if you don't put the link in the description. And also, it's actually it's a platform where people are looking like you've already done your sort of spiel in the video, so it's like you don't have that social interaction on YouTube like you do on Facebook. Like Facebook, you actually, you know, you go in, look at each other's background. YouTube is much more of an advertising platform. So you would put your link on, if you did a YouTube video, you would put your link on there. Same with Twitter. You could put, I would do a lead capture on Twitter, right? All my Twitter stuff, people go into my list and then I market to them from my list. YouTube, I will send people directly to a program, but still you're going to get on my, if you go click any of the links below, you're going to get on some kind of list of mine. So there you go. So just warning you, you will get on the list, but you know what? I try to keep it worthwhile. I try to keep it pinpoint focused. I don't send out crap. I don't send out products that I don't use myself. So everything that I promote, I've either used in the past and I'm still using now, or I've used in the past and it helped me. I just found something that I'm working on that's better. So if you find my old videos and you're like, hey, Glenn, are you still using this? I'm like, no, I'm not using that anymore. I'm using this thing. But I did use that. So that's it, guys. Have a great night and stay safe and wash your hands, sing your song twice. And yeah, listen to your government, guys. Listen to what's going on. Don't listen to the news all day long, but pay attention to the things you have to pay attention to, right? Make sure you're keeping yourself safe, keeping your family safe, and more importantly, just keeping everyone around you safe. Like, I want my kids' grandparents to be around for a really long time. I don't want them getting sick. So we're doing the best that we can to make sure that they're not getting sick and protecting them and helping them out as much as we can. So hopefully you're doing the same. All right, guys. Take care, and I'm going to sign off. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.